This is the JapanAmStore one-piece long knitting loom for do-it-yourself weaving loom for scarves or sweaters. I've actually made a scarf with this. The thing I like about it is that it's thicker. It's a thicker scarf. But depending on which pegs you use, you can make different sizes of scarves. So you can make children's or adults, and then you can also make those infinity ones that go all the way around. And then it comes with the pick here so that you can, like, it's easily, and it's got the grooves right here. And so when you're bringing it up, it's really easy to just pull right over. And it's a lot of like the woven back and forth. And then you have your starter pegs. And something that's really cool about this is the pegs, you know, oh, maybe not that one. Pegs actually come out a little easier than you don't want them coming out. Ugh, there we go. So they come out, so if you want to just be able to take them away so they're not in your way while you're doing a different size scarf, you can do that also. And it does come with a couple of extra ones just in case they get lost, because as you can see how small it was, it's definitely going to be easy to lose them. But you can see, pretty standard, but amazing product. Definitely worth it, and you can make them while watching TV. It's such a quick process to make those scarves.